Hi guys, welcome back. And this is the most important topic, that is the reason why we need to learn various searching and sorting algorithms. Okay, so in this video, we're going to see the need for the searching and sorting algorithms. So, what do you mean by the term sorting? Sorting is a process of arranging data in a definite order, in a finite order. Okay, so as the name tells, sorting is a process of arranging the data in some definite order. Okay, and what do you mean by the term searching? Searching is a process of identifying the position of the particular data from the existing information available. Okay, finding the position of the data is nothing but the searching, and sorting is the concept of arranging the data. So first of all, you should know the meaning and the difference between searching and sorting. Okay, so where does that searching and sorting concept are helpful? These concepts are very much important in information retrieval. So information retrieval is an important component in the field of computer science, which involves the backbones concepts of searching and sorting, whose efficiency can only be improved with a well organized and sorted database. So information retrieval is a main domain which requires the sorting and searching. Okay, these two plays a major role, or it acts as a backbone for information retrieval. Okay, which is very essential in all the applications we require and we do. Information retrieval is absolutely important, right? So this is possible only because of a sorted and sorted arrays and performing searching on a sorted array. Okay, so let us see a real-time example. Consider a library with a million of textbooks and journals, newspapers. If you want to pick up a particular book of a particular author, how many how much time will you take? Can you just imagine? If the library is not digitalized, how do you perform searching and how do you get that book? Can you just imagine the time it consumes? Whereas just imagine the second condition where the library is digitalized. Now compare the time taken to find the book when the library is digitalized, when the library is not digitalized. So to get a textbook, usually we will take only 2 minutes to find the location of the rack number if the library is digitalized. Can you now identify the searching and sorting importance in the digitalized library? Yeah. So, how the sorting takes place? First of all, the library is well organized and sorted in a definite order, right? Definite order in the sense all the books in the library are arranged in alphabetical order, either by the book name or the author name. Okay, here the address of the book is nothing but the rack number. This sorted database of book is maintained in a computer, is it not? So we can also sort, similarly, we can also sort numeric data, alphabetical data, and chronological data, which means that chronology means that arranging the database on the arrival time, based on the arrival time, is nothing but chronological data. We can also sort these similar data. Okay, so this is how a library is made digitalized by sorting it in a definite order, and we can, okay, and we can retrieve a particular book by doing searching operation. Okay, so these are the various type of sorting available: selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, etc. So I hope you understood the importance of sorting here. Next we'll see what is searching. So searching is nothing but once the name of the book or author name is given as an input, the location of the book, that is the rack number, will be displayed after performing a searching process. Searching can be performed in two different ways. One is linear search and next is binary search. Linear search is very similar to a normal searching technique, which is nothing but searching in a sequence, whereas binary search is performed by fixing a midpoint known as a key, and searching is performed in any one side of the key based on a condition. Okay, linear search is not good for a data for a huge amount of data, whereas binary search is suitable for huge amount of data. The search time is here is good when the search item is less. Okay, here it has an optimum search time for both big huge amount of data and a small amount of data. Okay, so these are the two available searches, linear and binary search. So now do you understand the importance of learning the selection sort programs and I mean the sorting programs and searching programs? Okay, these are the main backbone for information retrieval. So that is why utmost importance is given to these programs involving searching and sorting. Okay, so in the following videos we'll be learning various sorting programs, namely insertion sort, selection sort, and merge sort, and two searching programs such as linear search and binary search. Okay, before you learn those programs, I wanted you to know the importance of searching and sorting. So that is why the separate video on the need of linear searching and sorting algorithms was written and presented to you. Hope you understand. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and give your valuable comments and support this channel by sharing it with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching this video and don't miss to see the rest of the videos too. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.